All right, three-part video series. First thing is, can you move? So the question is not only are you able to do this, looking at it from a different position, but where are you doing it from? So for example, many of us believe we are always in this position. However, many of us sit in this position. Therefore, we're in the opposite position we think we are. So how do we know where we are? It's simple. I want you to tuck your bum under and then relax, and then tuck your bum out and relax. If you are one of the people in this position, when you go under, you're gonna reach your limit much sooner than if you start in this position and go all the way back. We get an idea of where our neutral starting position is, so we know what to fix. And a little disclaimer, you got a bone here and you got bones here. They should not be completely straight. You do want a little bit of an angle, you just don't want it to be too extreme. Join me in my next video where I talk about the proper lifting position, and also check out the 5-day challenge free, link in my bio.